Guys, it's Friday, so it's time to make something fun. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for joining me. We are going to be making some shrimp lo mein and some chicken wings. I just wanted to make some simple fried chicken wings, but Jade, no, she wants jerk chicken wings, so today I'm in the mood to be nice, so that's what she's going to get. I hope everyone watching is doing fine. I hope you had a great week and preparing to enjoy your weekend no matter what. You don't have to go out and be unsafe to enjoy your weekend. Find something exciting and fun to do. You know what I'll be doing? Tomorrow is Saturday. So I will be I work all week. I'm gonna spend some time. I was gonna say I'm gonna veg out all weekend on my sofa watching Hallmark Channel, but no, I have to take a break from that this weekend. But I will watch the new premiere movie at 8 o'clock. I'm gonna spend some time catching up on some reading and preparing for 2020. You know, write down my goals, start working on my goals for my blog, Mom's Building Wealth. I want to get familiar with Zoom since I can't do meetups personally. I want to get familiarized with Zoom and start holding some online meet and greets and networking events. I heard somebody say my mother, since I'm the only mother in here, I wonder what's that about now. I wonder what is the J want beside my perfume. Okay, lemon, I have lime. I should have lime. Okay, so I switch things to where I put the wings. Squeeze the lemon in here. Add the lime. Okay. Some noise. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna washing these and checking them once more, make sure there are no little feathers or anything like that on them. See you soon. Okay. So all that time. So So let me get get a bowl and get our seasoning mixed together. Need a couple spoons here. Okay. This is new. Oh gosh, this is the hot and spicy one. Y'all know I'm not a fan of my food too spicy, so I'm not using too much of that chicken. Right? What she wants. A little of my a little of my green seasoning there. Pinch of salt. That was supposed to be a pinch. I gotta order a brown sugar tonight from Amazon. This is a little white sugar. This, and this. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. My family say I'm always banging the cabinets. Okay, so I had salt and sugar into the jerk marinade and the green seasoning, garlic powder, allspice, ground allspice, black pepper, onion powder, paprika, smoked paprika, and some of this Jamaican salt seasoning. And some, where it's at? Ooh. There. Now I'm gonna add some Jamaican brown and mix in on the coloring. The oil, I have a little bit of coconut oil left in this bottle. You can use any oil. I just want to use up this coconut oil. I'm going to find me a Caribbean store in Orlando tomorrow and get some more. If I decide to go in, I'm so freakishly scared right now. I may not even go inside. But there you go. Anything else? I'm gonna mix this up really well. Oh, this is a Jamaican meat and fish sauce. Put on your stews. That I love so very, very much. Okay, I'm gonna rub this up really good. Really, really good. Feel good that looks, smells even better. Okie dokie. Oopsie doopsie. Alright guys, let me wash my hands. The oven is already preheated to 350, so I'm gonna get that in there now. Take a look. I wish you could smell it, or like my grandbaby say, I wish you could peel it. Okay, so I put that in the oven, 350 for 1 hour. I'm gonna check on it in 45 minutes though. And I have my water boiling for my pasta. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up some vegetables and I'll come back and see you soon. Okay guys, I got all my vegetables for the, oh, why can't I get all my vegetables for the lo mein ready. I got some red onions here, some green onions, bell peppers, green, red, and yellow. I got some fresh garlic and some fresh ginger here. I didn't say that loud enough. So we're gonna move over here and I'm going to get this shrimp together for the lo mein. So I have about this bag, I would say colossal shrimp. Jade, my daughter, gets on my nerves every day. It's like that's what she does. I can't wait for her to go back to school so she can leave me alone. Mommy, can I open them and get just a few of them to make something for myself to eat? You're going to which Navy? There must be another Navy that I don't know about. There must be another Navy women don't know about. Get a little cut of lemon. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit a bit and I'm gonna get the pot ready for what I'm gonna brown the shrimp in. You're being black? I think you've already conveyed that to me earlier today. And I agree with you. I was not being rude.
You don't take the tail off.
Jade, don't bother me. Come on up, get you. Stop having me get upset and then I talk like that. Your backside. I told you I like the tails on there. You can hold the tails and eat them. I always just want to be such a twit.
I must eat my food in peace. And I have to stop and rest.
Next time I'm making shrimp and this on here, you come stress me about taking them off. Guess what? Jade, if you want them off, come in here and take them off yourself. How about that? How about that right there? You're not afraid to touch them anymore, right?
No.
Okay. me the grace. Only cause it's Friday. I don't have to work tomorrow and I'm feeling good, and then I'm gonna go do my hair tomorrow. Okay, we're going to move over to season these up.
Why is there
Okay,
a
so
box
I've
in
been,
the box?
I don't know, to keep it safe, pot drying this with paper towel, and I see that my camera angle is very horrible. Jade, I'm gonna need you over here, please. Okay, so let's get a little bit of seasoning on this. I'm gonna start off with some garlic powder, a pinch of salt, just a smidgen for real this time. A pinch of black pepper. Creole seasoning. Oh my God, that thing is tiny. I swear,
Did you not see how big the box?
a pinch of onion powder.
What?
I know, sweetie, fix it. Okay, Jade is gonna, I'm gonna add some Old Bay. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna rub this up together and see you soon. Okay, guys, let's move on over here. I'm going to add a little olive oil to this pot. This is the one pot I don't have that I have to get Jade. When we move, I have to get a wok. Ooh, I should get myself a wok for Christmas. I'm gonna add my spaghetti to the water. Usually we're gonna cook the whole box, but with all that shrimp, I'm seeing lunch tomorrow. Work on these shrimp. Get them brown up by the time the pasta is done. Come over here so I can get this pot. Ouch. Not today, okay? Okay, let me find my sauces for the lo mein. I have here some dark soy sauce. Okay. No. Okay, I know I just got a hoisin. Oh, there's a hoisin. And yeah, this is such a big batch. This is gonna be a big batch of pasta. Oh, you gotta make kind of slow. What this? I was going to go get this. Yep. They look good, Jade. Jade. I know you ain't trying to tell me that we've been playing down sleep already. I'm calling you. Never mind. I'm trying to show you this rock star stuff out there. Girl, this is good. You gotta come have it when it's fresh. Fine, bye. Kiss your teeth at me. I'm just trying to be nice to you. Time to take the chicken out the oven. And I had you over here watching that foolishness. Oh my goodness. You can make these wings to go with so much. Because they are so good. Check it out, guys. Those are the jerk wings. Guys, I want to thank you again for joining me in the kitchen. By way of my YouTube channel, thank you for visiting. If you like what you see, please don't be shy to subscribe, like, comment, and share with others you know who would like it. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I wish you and your family prosperity and good health. Have a wonderful weekend, y'all. There you have it, guys. Shrimp lo mein. I can't wait to dig in with jerk chicken wings. Cannot wait to dig in, guys. This smells so good up in here right now. So good.